Hello everyone, this video is for you. It's a daily video that tells you what zone we're in, what basic weekly plan we're working on, and reminds you of your routines. Take a look, you'll see that these three things are here. There may be some other things in there that may or may not relate to the time of year, but that's okay. Enjoy. Hello Fly Babies, hello my patrons, hello my lions. It's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Saturday. We have a 3-layer cake. First layer is routines. Second layer is basic weekly plan. Third layer is zones. So if you are a payroll fly baby, you may have these 3-layer cake, these 3 layers of the cake. If you're an at-home fly baby, you will only have 2, and possibly 2 if you're payroll. Let's look into this. Let's take care of at-home first. At-home fly babies, and patrons, you've done all your work during the week, so what you've got to do today is get up and do a morning routine, put your children through their routine, enjoy your day because today is a day where you do fun things with your family. You do have the rest of your routine to do. You don't have laundry because you did that during the week. You might have some paper if you've got paper clutter still, just an inch. You'll have your after dinner routine and your before bed routine. That's it. And then enjoy your family. You won't have a zone because you did your zone work during the week. So that's it for you. Have a great day with your family. If you're a payroll fly baby, you may be in the same boat if you were able to do your work when you got home. The little 10 minutes of deep cleaning an item in one of those zone areas, and if you delegated the basic weekly plan or you decided to do that 10-minute item yourself. You might have had 15 minutes in your zone if you have clutter. That's it. If you were able to do your laundry during the week, you also won't have any to do this weekend. So if you didn't get those things done, if you didn't get the other basic weekly items done like laundry, not like laundry, that's a routine. A basic weekly item, basic weekly plan item is errands like groceries, balancing your checkbook and paying your bills and cleaning your refrigerator out. That's also something you would do hopefully during the week. If you didn't get that done, you have to do that today. And if you didn't remember to order your groceries and have them delivered, you're going to do that today. Either buy them or order them, and maybe you can't even pick them up till tomorrow depending on how much you put it off, okay? So let's get it going. Get up to your morning routine, put your children through their morning routine, and then start with the basic weekly plan. After your routines, you've had morning routine, basic weekly plan. Get the weekly home blessing done. Get it done. If it's the whole hour you have to do the whole hour. If you can split it up with your family, maybe it's only 30 minutes, maybe it's only 20 minutes, maybe it's only 10 minutes, depending on the size of your family. Then do an hour in your zone if you didn't do any of that this week. And then do everything that you have to do that entitles running around. So if you need to run errands, if you need to go to the grocery store, etc. You do want to have a little quiet time to sit down and work on your desk things if you didn't get those done this week. I'm hoping that you actually did do those things so that you can enjoy this whole day, but you can still enjoy quite a bit of this day if you focus and get these things done in the morning. You'll have the afternoon to do whatever you want with your family, and then all day tomorrow. All right, after dinner tonight, we're all going to do our after dinner routine, and then we're going to do our before bed routine, which includes planning for tomorrow, which is Renew Your Spirit Day. So you want to get ready to prepare your family emotionally and physically to get ready for church in the morning, okay? All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day, and I want you to always remember that you are beautiful. Mwah. I hope you enjoyed that, and I know that you're going to have a great time in your house today. Remember to focus on getting it done first, fast, make it fun, and get it finished. Complete the process, and don't let those little things bug you that you see that are for future dates. Use your planner, and always remember that you are beautiful.